Want to see what 13 million euros looks like in real life? Let me show you the house that price tag buys. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going somewhere special. We're not just looking at pictures. We're walking through the gates and stepping inside one of the most incredible homes I've ever seen. It's in Marbella, Spain, in a place known for being quiet, safe, and very, very private. This isn't just a big house. It feels like its own private world. Let's start right here at the beginning. This is the gate. It's big, it's solid, and it's the only way in. It sets the tone for everything. Privacy is the first thing you feel. Inside the gate, the driveway makes a big circle. It's not just a path to the door, it's like a courtyard. The people who live here told me they once had a party with over 20 Ferraris parked right here, and it wasn't even crowded. That's how much space there is, and that's before we even talk about the garage inside the house, which can fit 9 more cars. So, right away, you know this place is on a different level. Security is a big part of it. This whole community has guards watching all day and all night. You feel safe. You feel alone in the best way. It's peaceful. You can hear the birds, not the traffic. Now look up at the house itself. It's modern, it's clean, it was finished in 2018, and the person who built it had been building homes for 40 years. You can tell, it's not just thrown together. Every part of it feels planned and perfect. Let's walk to the front door, look at the entrance. 4 huge pillars hold up the roof. The door is massive. Okay, ready, let's go in. You open the door, and the first thing you see isn't a wall or a piece of furniture. It's the view, straight through the entire house out the other side, to the blue Mediterranean Sea. It takes your breath away. It's a wow moment. You just stop and stare. That view is the heart of this home. Standing in the entrance hall, you start to see the details. The floor is shiny and perfect. There's a cool table, and look at the stairs. They're made of glass. Yes, glass. They have lights inside them that make them glow. And the ceiling has mirrors on it, making the whole space feel twice as big. It's like walking into a piece of art. Now, step into the main living room. Look up. I mean, really look up. The ceiling is 3 stories high. It soars above you. There's a walkway up on the 2nd floor that looks down over this room. It feels like a luxury hotel lobby, but it's someone's house. One whole wall is a work of art, made of different materials and textures. And this wall to the right, it's not really a wall, it's a series of giant sliding glass doors. You can push a button and the whole thing opens up. The inside living room and the outside terrace become one big space. We'll go out there in a minute, I promise, but first, let's see where you eat and cook. Off to the side is the kitchen. If you love to cook, you will love this. It has not 1, but 2 huge stone islands in the middle. You can have a bunch of people cooking together, or someone can be making drinks while someone else prepares food. All the appliances are the best you can buy. There are 2 ovens, 2 microwaves, 2 dishwashers. Everything is doubled. The fan above the cooktop hides in the ceiling when you don't need it, so it looks super clean. There's more storage here than you could ever fill. A whole walk-in pantry, and it's not just a kitchen, it's a living space. There's a comfortable sofa and a TV right here, so people can hang out and talk to the cook. There's also a big dining table that seats 10 people easily for a fancy dinner. Also on this main floor are 2 bedrooms. They're not just spare rooms, they are full bedroom suites. Each one has its own beautiful bathroom and a big closet. And each one has those same big glass doors that open right out to the garden and the pool. Imagine waking up, opening your door, and taking 3 steps to jump in the water. What's it like living in this area? It's like living in a 5-star resort that's all yours. There's a concierge service. That means you can call 1 number if you need a chef to come cook dinner, a babysitter, someone to book you a tea time at the golf course, or even arrange horse riding. There are 2 golf courses right here and hundreds of acres of peaceful land. You're only a 10-minute drive from the restaurants and shops of Marbella, but when you come home, you are in a quiet green paradise. Your neighbor is nature, Now, let's go upstairs. We can take the fancy glass stairs or the elevator. Yes, there's an elevator that goes to all 3 floors. Upstairs, there's a hallway that looks over the living room below. The view is still right there, following you. This floor has more bedrooms, including the master. First, let's look at a guest room. Walk in. The first thing you notice is how high the ceiling is. It's over 7 meters high, which is more than 2 stories just for a bedroom. One wall is covered in soft, suede fabric. It feels cozy and luxurious. And then you walk out onto the balcony. This is your private terrace. The view is incredible. You could have your morning coffee here every single day and never get tired of it. This room also has a big walk-in closet and a beautiful bathroom with a tub and a big shower. Now for the master bedroom. This isn't a bedroom, it's an apartment. It's huge. The bed is in the center of the room under those amazing high ceilings with soft lighting. On either side, there are giant wardrobes, his and hers. They are the size of small stores with shelves for shoes, racks for clothes, and drawers for everything else. Then, through a door is the master bathroom. It's all marble. There are 2 sinks set into a beautiful counter, like jewelry boxes. There's a big bathtub for relaxing. The shower is huge, with a shower head that comes right out of the ceiling like rain. And the master has not 1, but 2 private balconies. One faces the sunrise, the other the sunset. The garden and pool are below you, and the sea is in the distance. Because the house faces south, the sun shines here all day long. But we are only halfway through the tour. The most surprising part is downstairs. Let's take the elevator down to the basement. But this is not a dark, dusty basement. It's the best part of the house. The doors open and you step into an entertainment zone. To your left is a beautiful, modern bar with lights underneath. You could have your own cocktail parties here. Across from it is a lounge area with sofas and a big TV, a perfect place for a movie night or playing games. Then you walk through an archway and it opens up into a wellness area. There is an indoor swimming pool. It's long, it's heated, and the ceiling above it is arched and beautiful. Right next to it is a full gym with all the equipment you'd need. You can work out and then take a swim, all without leaving your house. It's your private health club. We keep going down the hall, which feels like a gallery with soft lighting that turns on as you walk. One door leads to the garage. It's a massive, clean space for 8 or 9 cars. It has a big electric door that leads right out to the driveway. Down here, there are also 2 more bedrooms. These are perfect for guests who want extra privacy or for live-in staff. They have their own doors to the outside garden, so people can come and go without walking through the main house. Each one, of course, has its own nice bathroom. One even has its own little laundry room. Every single room in this house, even the ones underground, feels bright and high quality. Okay, let's go back up into the sunlight. We've seen the inside, now let's see the outdoor life. The terrace is like having several different living rooms, but outside. There are multiple sitting areas with comfortable sofas and chairs. There is a huge dining table for eating outside with friends and family. And then, right in the center, is the infinity pool. An infinity pool has one edge that looks like it disappears. The water flows over it, making it seem like the pool is merging with the sky and the sea in the distance. It's stunning. There are plenty of suns around it to catch the sun all day. Over to the side, there is another structure. It's a covered gazebo, but it's a solid building with a roof. Inside, there's another sofa area and another table for dining. This space has a full bathroom and even has the pipes ready for a small kitchenette. You could close it in with glass walls in the winter, making it a year-round sunroom. It's another perfect spot to hide away and relax. So, from the secure front gate to the jaw-dropping entrance, the massive living spaces, the private bedroom suites, the incredible underground pool and gym, to the sunny terraces and gardens, this is more than a house. It's a complete, private universe. It's about having every single thing you could want, all in one place, designed beautifully, and wrapped in total peace and quiet. What do you think? Which part of this home did you like the most? Was it the indoor pool, the master suite, the view from the front door? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoy seeing places that show you what's possible, that take you on a real tour of amazing homes, then you're in the right spot. Make sure to give this video a like. It really helps. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss the next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.